guys, today we are going to be busy sanding and shit, putting some body filler everywhere on this Widebody kit, and then we are going to try and get some shape going on this flipping thing, man. It's irritating me. So let me show you. So you can see I already started. I need to even this all out, even here, even there, sort out there at the bottom. I need a lot of shit here. Yeah, I need to put quite a bit, and then I need to fix up here, then yeah. What I'm thinking of doing there is cutting that completely out on this line, and then just like letting it maybe stop here somewhere, so then this should be flat with the car. But then what I want to do is put like slits there. Not sure yet. After I post this video, I'll wait for people's replies to see what you guys think. But for now, I'm gonna sort out the rest of it, and then depending on what I decide here, I'll cut it or I won't cut it in another video. And then in the back, thinking I could probably start with some filler here as well, especially like here in this area. Yeah. And then I obviously need to trim up all that shit, but I'm waiting for my overalls to come so I don't get cut. Now the thing is, if I cut out in the front, then I need to cut out here in the back, because that's only logical, right? And like somewhere here, and then put slits like this going up, right? I think it won't look bad, but I'm not 100% sure yet, so I'll wait for replies. So let's get started. Now when it comes to this, like, you don't want to put too much of the hardener when you mix it. What I like to do is normally just like put a thin line next to it like that, and then just start. So you're gonna fold it in, and after you fold it in, you can start applying it. Depending on how much hardener you use, the quicker it's actually gonna dry. So I'm not an expert in this shit, so my first try is usually my try. So let's try this out, see how long it takes to get hard, and then we'll go and apply it. So when you're applying it like here, you don't want to have the blue, so keep just like folding it in until all the blue is gone. That's when you can actually start applying it. So we're teaching the sander. Reason being is I was struggling to get the shapes that I wanted, and the sander is just too big, man. I think I bought the wrong thing, to be honest. And yeah, I'm getting much better results using the sanding block and using the appropriate grid sandpaper with the sanding block. So let me show you what I did. So previously this line was not straight. Now it is much straighter. This line here as well, much straighter. This bottom line as well. But most importantly, this is now almost perfectly round. There is a few spots that I need to put some shit in between, but like it's like almost perfectly round. Need to put some filler here, some filler there. This line here, straight. This line, yeah, I don't know why I did this, but anyway, I'm just gonna leave that small piece like straight. So we straightened up almost everything. Now what we need to do is put some more filler
get things going again. And then yeah, so I'm not going to actually use this on the car, because if I flip this over, you can see how uneven this thing is on the inside. Now that poses a problem, because even if I get the outside looking nice, what if my fitment when I get a wheel on here isn't perfect? And then if it rubs up here, I mean, it's not like I can roll the shit out, right? It's just gonna be chaotic. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know what's happening here. I'm gonna do is get this to be nice and flat, then put 2 layers on fiberglass on top of here and pull that off, then take that around, flip it around. It should be completely flat inside. If it's not, then that's a problem with my fiberglassing skills, but it should be. And then fiberglass inside there and basically use that as an outside mold. Then I'll have a full fiberglass shape, and it shouldn't have any weirdness on the inside. So that's it basically. We are stopping here today. Unfortunately, it's gotten dark outside and I need to get ready for training and to read my namaz. But anyway, so I've built up all the spots that need thick amounts of body filler, just to actually make it nice and round how I want it. So like here, a shit ton of filler there, shit ton of filler there, shit ton, shit ton, shit ton, shit ton, shit ton. So basically the whole thing is like 90% filler at this point. I don't even know how I put that amount of filler there, but anyway, that's where we're at. It's gonna dry up. Tomorrow should be a good day. I'm thinking this thing should be flat tomorrow, and yeah, we'll take it from there.